The world of video editing, a vast, intricate landscape. It's a realm where creativity meets technology and where every frame counts. Two titans dominate this domain, Adobe Premiere Pro and Apple's Final Cut Pro. These software giants have become the go-to tools for professionals and enthusiasts alike. Both are powerful, both are popular. But which reigns supreme? The answer isn't straightforward. It depends on various factors, including the user's needs, preferences, and the specific demands of the project. This is not a simple battle. It's a complex, ongoing competition that has evolved over the years. Each software has its own loyal following and unique advantages. Each contender boasts strengths and weaknesses. Premiere Pro is known for its extensive feature set and flexibility, making it a favorite among industry professionals. Premiere Pro, the industry veteran, offers vast compatibility and a deep well of features. It's highly customizable and integrates seamlessly with other Adobe Creative Cloud applications. Final Cut Pro, the nimble challenger, counters with speed and an intuitive design. Its magnetic timeline and optimized performance on Mac systems make it a powerful tool for fast-paced editing. Our mission to explore this complex ecosystem. We aim to provide a comprehensive comparison that will help you make an informed decision, to dissect their strengths, analyze their weaknesses, and understand who they serve best. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a budding filmmaker, this analysis will offer valuable insights. Join us as we delve into the epic clash of Premiere Pro and Final Cut Pro. Discover the nuances, the hidden gems, and the ultimate champion in the world of video editing. For newcomers, the learning curve can be daunting. Premiere Pro, with its abundance of features, can feel overwhelming. Its interface, while customizable, requires time to master. Final Cut Pro, on the other hand, welcomes beginners with open arms. Its magnetic timeline, intuitive design, and simplified workflow make it remarkably approachable. Imagine a first-time editor eager to piece together a simple video. Final Cut Pro's streamlined approach allows them to grasp the basics quickly. Premiere Pro, while more powerful, demands a greater time investment. Experienced editors, however, tell a different tale. Premiere Pro's depth becomes an asset. Its customizable interface, advanced features, and powerful scripting capabilities offer unparalleled control. Final Cut Pro, while intuitive, can feel limiting to seasoned professionals. Its streamlined approach, while perfect for beginners, sometimes lacks the granular control demanded by complex projects. Visualize a seasoned editor tackling a feature film. Premiere Pro's robust toolset allows them to manipulate every aspect of their edit. Final Cut Pro, while capable, may require workarounds to achieve the same results. Premiere Pro shines with its extensive feature set. Advanced color grading tools provide granular control over every hue and shade. Motion tracking and stabilization features ensure smooth, professional-looking footage. Collaboration tools are seamlessly integrated, allowing teams to work simultaneously on projects. And its unmatched format support ensures compatibility with virtually any video format imaginable. Think of it, a one-stop shop for all your editing needs. From basic cuts to complex visual effects, Premiere Pro has the tools to bring any vision to life. Section 5, Round 4, Key Features, Final Cut Pro. Final Cut Pro, while less feature-packed compared to some competitors, boasts unique strengths that set it apart in the video editing world. One of its standout features is the magnetic timeline, which has revolutionized the editing process. This innovative tool simplifies the workflow by automatically snapping clips into place, minimizing accidental errors, and making the editing process more intuitive. Additionally, the built-in 360-degree video editing tools are unparalleled. These tools allow editors to navigate and manipulate spherical footage with ease, providing a seamless experience for those working with immersive video content. Another key advantage of Final Cut Pro is its optimization for macOS. This results in lightning-fast performance even on less powerful machines, ensuring that editors can work efficiently without being bogged down by slow processing speeds. Picture this: a filmmaker working with 360-degree footage. The tools provided by Final Cut Pro make it possible to edit this complex content with precision and ease, allowing for a more creative and dynamic final product. Final Cut. Pro's intuitive tools are designed to make the editing process as seamless and efficient as possible. The user-friendly interface allows editors to focus on their creative vision without getting bogged down by technical difficulties. Its speed and performance not only enhance the overall workflow, but also ensure that projects are completed in a timely manner. This makes Final Cut Pro an invaluable tool for both amateur and professional video editors alike. Section 6, Round 5 Performance, A Tale of Two Systems. Performance is paramount in the world of video editing. The ability to handle complex projects efficiently can make or break a production. Premiere Pro, while resource-intensive, excels on powerful Windows machines. It leverages the hardware to deliver top-notch performance, making it a favorite among professionals. Its integration with other Adobe products creates a seamless workflow for creatives. This interconnected ecosystem allows for easy transitions between different stages of the editing process. Final Cut Pro, optimized for macOS, runs flawlessly on even entry-level Macs. This optimization ensures that users get the best performance without needing the most expensive hardware. Its efficient use of system resources allows for smooth playback and faster rendering times. This efficiency is crucial for editors who need to meet tight deadlines. Imagine a complex editing timeline filled with effects and transitions. The software's ability to handle such complexity without lag is a testament to its performance. On a high-end PC, Premiere Pro handles the workload with ease. The combination of powerful hardware and optimized software ensures a smooth editing experience. On a Mac, Final Cut Pro flies through the render, maximizing efficiency. This speed is particularly beneficial for editors working on time-sensitive projects, allowing them to deliver high-quality content quickly. Section 7, Round 6, The Price of Power. Pricing models differ significantly. Premiere Pro utilizes a subscription-based model, granting access to the latest features and updates for a monthly fee. Final Cut Pro offers a refreshing alternative, a one-time purchase. This upfront cost provides lifetime access to the software with occasional free updates. Consider this: a freelancer on a budget might find Final Cut Pro's one-time purchase more appealing. A large studio, however, might prefer Premiere Pro's subscription model, ensuring access to the latest features and updates. Section 8, Round 7, Industry Standard and Collaboration. Premiere Pro reigns supreme as the industry standard. Its widespread use makes collaboration seamless, with projects easily transferable between editors. Final Cut Pro, while gaining traction, faces an uphill battle in this regard. Its limited adoption within the professional sphere can pose challenges for collaborative projects. Imagine this: a team of editors working on a major motion picture. Premiere Pro's industry dominance ensures smooth collaboration and project sharing. Final Cut Pro, while capable, might require additional steps to ensure compatibility. Section 9, Round 8, Learning Resources and Community. Both platforms boast vast online communities. Premiere Pro, with its long-standing presence, offers a wealth of tutorials, forums, and support resources. Final Cut Pro's community, while smaller, is rapidly growing. Its intuitive design lowers the barrier to entry, attracting a dedicated and passionate user base. Picture this: a beginner seeking help with a specific editing technique. Both Premiere Pro and Final Cut Pro offer a plethora of online resources, tutorials, and communities to assist them on their editing journey. Section 10, Round 9, Strengths, Weaknesses, and Ideal Users. Let's recap Premiere Pro: powerful, industry standard, but resource-intensive and subscription-based. Ideal for professionals, large studios, and those needing the widest range of features and compatibility. Final Cut Pro: intuitive, fast, and affordable, but less feature-rich and less widely adopted in professional settings. Perfect for beginners, Mac users, independent filmmakers, and those seeking a more streamlined and affordable editing solution. Section 11, Round 10, The Verdict, Finding Your Perfect Edit. The winner? It depends. The best editing software is not a one-size-fits-all answer. It's about finding the right tool for the job, the perfect fit for your individual needs and workflow. Consider your experience level, budget, system capabilities, and the specific demands of your projects. Weigh the pros and cons carefully. Then, and only then, can you confidently choose the editing titan that will help you conquer the world of video.